Hello student, welcome to chemistry class. Uh, as you know that we are revising and continuous revision is going on of the different chapter of the term 1 questions with the help of MCQ. In the today we will discuss 1 marks question but not in form of MCQ, only the reasoning type with the help of discussion, okay, which are asked in the different year also. So we are looking here the previous year, we are solving the previous year questions asked in the different year of the board paper, okay student, and we are discuss revise all these chapters of the term 1 so many times. I hope this is the 4th time we are going to revise chapter P block with the help of single question, 1 marks question. First question is, what is the basicity of what is the basicity of H2SO4. Basicity of H2SO4. What is the basicity of H2SO4? This is asked in 2015 Delhi. Okay. Now see, what is the basicity? You have to see the number of hydrogen which can be donated, that is the basicity. Number of hydrogen, which can be released by acid is known as basicity of acid. Okay. In case of H2SO4, basicity of H2SO4 is 2. How? You can see with the help of structure. Here is this oxygen, OH, okay, and this. There are 2 removable hydrogen. These are the 2 hydrogen which can released by the acid. So the basicity of sulfuric acid is 2. One more acid we can see here, H3PO4. Here its basicity is 3. H2CO3 basicity is 2. How much hydrogen can donated by the acid? That is known as the basicity of that acid. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now next question is, why NN bond is weaker than PP bond? Why is the question? Next question, why is the single NN bond is weaker than PP bond? PP single bond. ओके, ऐसा क्यों है कि NN और PP में अगर देखा जाए तो NH बॉन्ड वीकर है PP बॉन्ड से। तो ये ऐसा इसलिए है, यहाँ पे क्या आंसर होना चाहिए, दिस इज द ड्यू टू anomalous behavior of nitrogen. Nitrogen has a very small size and due to which there is a strong electrostatic repulsion which makes the single NN bond very weak. Understand? This is what is the reason, what is the cause of the bond being weak in the nitrogen, okay, in the nitrogen, okay. Now what is the answer? Due to anomalous small size of nitrogen, there is strong electrostatic repulsion between two nitrogen in comparison to PP बॉन्ड, ओके। नाइट्रोजन की साइज क्या है, हमने बताया था कि सेकेंड ग्रुप में डाउन जितने भी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट हैं वो दीज आर द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एलिमेंट, देयर साइज इज वेरी स्मॉल, देयर negativity is high, their positivity is low, they have no vacuum d orbital, they have a smaller size, okay. These are the some properties, these are some anomalous behavior which make them different from their family or other element, okay. Now you can see here, as the question is asked that the nitrogen bond, single bond is weaker than that of the phosphorus. Then here nitrogen has smaller size, anomalous smaller size, and this smaller anomalous size causes repulsion. What causes repulsion? Electrostatic repulsion. So they cannot held together for a longer time. They cannot be held together for a longer time. So this is the reason. Due to the strong electrostatic or interatomic repulsion, nitrogen are weaker than the phosphorus. But in case of phosphorus, their size is very large. So their size is large in comparison to nitrogen. So there is a positive interaction between them. So they have a strong bond between them, okay. Now we will see the next question. Next question is what? Next question is our next question is arrange the following. Next question is arrange the following in the increasing order of their basic structure or basic nature, okay. Here is some compounds which you have to arrange them in the increasing order of their basic character. Arrange the arrange the following compounds or molecules of nitrogen family okay, what are these? NH3 PH3 NH3 PH3 and ASH 3 SB SbH3 and BiS3. Okay, now see these compounds how they can be arranged in the increasing order of basicity. Okay, how can you decide the basicity of these compounds? How can you decide the basicity of these compounds? Okay, you can decide by the availability of the lone pair electron. In these compounds, a molecule have lone pair electron. All these have the lone pair electron. One lone pair electron in these, all these. But in which case these two electrons or these one pair electron is available, that is the that decide the basic character of this compound. As we go down the group, their size increases and number of vacant orbitals become more and more available. So in that case, lone pair electron will be very less available. Okay, as the size increases, number of vacant orbital increases. As a result, their lone pair electron will be less available. Okay, understand? So in this case, what will be the order? Now you can see that BiS3 is less basic than SbH3, less basic than AsH3 and PH3 and NH3. In this case, electron is more available in case of this one. Okay, note down. Okay, have you noted? This is the order which is asked, increasing order. Okay, now we will see the next question. Why dinitrogen is very less reactive at room temperature? Okay, why nitrogen is very less reactive? Why is the nitrogen? Why is the nitrogen very less reactive? Very less reactive. What is the reason behind this? And this question has been asked in 2014 in All India 2014. What will be the reason behind this? Okay, what will be the reason behind this? Tell me. The reason behind this is that there is triple bond between two nitrogen between two nitrogen atoms. So these are very strong, and so nitrogen is less reactive. Okay. There is triple bond. Triple bond is more stronger, as know that triple bond is more stronger than the double and single bond. There is one thing you can say, that there is p-pi interaction between two atoms of nitrogen. This is the reason why nitrogen is very less reactive at the room temperature. Okay. In the same way, this question can be asked like this: explain the following. The chemical reactivity of nitrogen is very less, much less than the phosphorus. Very less than the phosphorus. Okay. Okay. So here is p-pi interaction between the nitrogen atom, which result being why nitrogen is very less reactive. This question can be asked in another form: the chemical reactivity of nitrogen is very less than phosphorus, and it is asked in so many years: 2008, 2009, 2008 in a foreign, in all India compartment, 2012. Now next question is: draw the structure of. Why we are discussing such type of question? Because with the help of discussion we can solve the MCQ question very clearly. Okay. Draw the structure. Next question is: draw the structure of PCl5. Draw the structure of PCl5. And it may be asked, name the structure. Now see the structure of phosphorus. Phosphorus share one electron with each chlorine atom. With each chlorine atom. Okay. So the structure will be like this: one electron share with each chlorine atom. Okay. And Cl and Cl. And the structure will be Cl and Cl. Okay. This structure is known as trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. Okay. Trigonal bipyramidal. This is the trigon, and this one is the axiom. These chlorines, these three chlorines are equatorial chlorine atom. atom, and this one, these two are axial chlorine atom. Okay, now we will discuss next question. Our next question is, what is the covalency of nitrogen in N2O5? You can know this by pausing video. Now you will see here question. What is the covalency of nitrogen in N2O5? Okay, nitrogen in N2O5. This can be determined by with the help of structure. You can see here there are two nitrogen atoms. Okay, one oxygen atom in each nitrogen is double bonded. One oxygen atom is by the single bonded in each, and next one oxygen is like this. This is the structure of N2O5. This is the, note down, this is the structure of N2O5. Okay, the structure of N2O5. Now you can see each nitrogen has 4 bonds. Each nitrogen has 4 bonds. Okay, so covalency will be 4. Covalency of nitrogen in the N2O5 will be 4. Now we will see the next question. What is these questions can be asked in my MCQ question. Whatever we are discussing here, all these questions can be asked in the form of MCQ, because there is possibility of options so much. Okay, you can also make options. Question is, what is the basicity of H3PO3. Now, basicity of this orthophosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid. Okay, basicity of orthophosphorus acid can be determined only by the structure. What will be the structure? Look here. At least one oxygen is double bonded. Now you have 2 oxygen, one with OH, and here is H. So there are 2 hydrogens only for the removal. Therefore, basicity of H3PO3 is 2. Okay, note down. Now we will discuss next question. Okay, now we will discuss next question. Our next question is that draw the structure of HPO3 whole thrice. Draw the structure. This question, now we will see the next question, because why does PCl3 fumes in moisture? Why does Why does PCl3 fume in moisture? Okay, fume in moisture. Fume in moisture. Okay, because it forms H3PO3 orthophosphorus acid. Okay, reaction will be PCl3 react with H2O, okay, to form H3PO3 plus 3HCl. This is the reason why it forms what? Fume with the moisture. Student, in next class we will discuss some more questions. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.